Welcome. Let's dive into how to customize your language settings in Google Maps. The process is straightforward, so let's get started. Begin by navigating to google.com/maps in your web browser. Once you're on the Google Maps homepage, look for the three lines icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a menu of options. From the menu, select Language. This will take you to the Language Settings page where you'll find a range of language options to choose from. Google Maps offers support for multiple languages, catering to users around the world. Take your time to explore the list and select the language that best suits your preferences. Once you've chosen your desired language, simply click on it. Google Maps will instantly update and display in the selected language. Whether you're navigating through familiar streets or exploring new destinations, having Google Maps in your preferred language enhances your user experience. That's it. Changing the language in Google Maps is quick and easy, allowing you to personalize your mapping experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring with Google Maps.